I'm diving into this saltwater desalination contraption that I set up. And my first observation is that the film on top is quite wet after it sat in the sun for about an hour and a half. My second observation is that very, very little water actually made it into the small container. My guess is it just didn't get warm enough. It wasn't able to get too awfully hot because it was only in the sun for about an hour and a half, and it wasn't that warm out. But anyways, there's some in here. It doesn't taste salty, while this water is still left in the big part is very salty. I would say if I was doing this again, I'd want to do it right in the middle of the day when it was at the warmest part of the day. I don't think there was anything wrong with the size of the containers or the depth of the water. It wasn't extremely deep. It was fairly shallow and spread out over the dish. I think the main problem was just that it wasn't out in the sun, in direct sunlight, long enough. But with the little that did get into the small dish in the center, it seems to have worked. The water was far less salty than the water that was in the bigger portion of the container. So